So the first pair on that first pair there was Euro CA share. Okay. So when you come to the chart, always check the higher time frame like I told us. Check your monthly. You can see the multiple rejections from below and above. Possible sell signal. This one here, this one here. Go to your weekly, check what the last month did. The same thing. Take candle, sell, stay bearish bias. We go to your H1 to see what's up. H1 is still the same thing. You can see the impulsive sell correction, impulse again. So you can say we had it. We go to flower and H1. If you look at H1 now, you can see this last break here. Sorry, you can see this one, impulsive push, correction, impulse. We had this break. The same thing I told us that we trade just simple something. Need to see impulse, correction, impulse. Then you look for either of the candles that we trade at the extreme. If you check it now, that's it here. Impulsive push, correction, impulse. Then what candle can you see at the extreme? You see your, what's it called? That's a doji there, a hammer in front. So you mark the boats as your anticipated point of entry. So wait. Do we get? Okay. So if you check from your monthly, you see the clear picture there. See the, what's it called? The thick candle here. This is your doji formed already. So on the long run, market should be coming for the lows of that candle on the long run. Weekly too, the same thing. Sales has just started. Daily, the same thing. So when this bit a little push on the upside, so your TP zone now might be extreme. You can see TP at this zone as your TP1. So when this bit sells here now, to target here TP1, extreme for swing trades. So that's that for Euro THF. So sell here, TP down there, down below. So you trade on confirmation, not just direct selling. That's 1 to 5, another one. Then the next pair we had there was Euro NZD. The same thing. Check your monthly chart. See what the previous months are doing. Same thing here. You can see this thick candle, a doji formed already, a hammer formed. So can dissipate little sales. Go to your weekly. What did the last weeks do? It's giving the reverse, but the trend from the higher time frame is very, so look for sales. Check your daily. What the daily they do? And see it's your thick candle, a doji form. So look for sales. Then this zone now should be your possible first TP. That's TP1 there. Then the extreme of that wick can be TP2. So from here now, you switch to your H1 to find your cell structure. It's not completely formed yet, but it's clear already. This zone is taken. And look at that extreme now. We have our three candle formation already. That's your evening start or sell. So you mark that extreme now as your entry point. So we anticipate market to do something impulse correction. Probably tomorrow, then from Tuesday we're engaged. So this one is not totally formed yet, but this is what I anticipate. Then we'll sell from that extreme. Do we get? That's Euro NZD. Then Euro card has been running since last week already. Euro card, then we'll look for the entry. Sorry. Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm coming. Euro. This one has been running since last week, so we'll look for the entry and engage. And if you notice what I've been teaching us right from time, it's just simple something. Impulse, correction, impulse. That was what I saw here. This impulsive sell, correction, impulse. Once you've seen that, you look for either of the candles. Look at this extreme now. That's your three candle formation there. You look properly, that's your three candle formation. Then you have a doji there. Even looking like an inverted hammer. You mark it to the future. I think I dropped this stuff on the group. That was it. That was the first entry. Then the re-entry came for this block, and I engaged here. I engaged here, and I left around this zone or so. So most likely, re-entry is not so sure for now. It's not so sure for now. So trash Euro GBP out of those pairs. Then we have Euro AUD there. The same thing. Sorry. Multiple rejections from this high. That was on the monthly. Multiple weeks. Weekly. The same thing. Multiple rejections. Go to your daily. Roti daily they do. And see here now. These red candles here can close that. So expect lower prices on these assets. Switch to H1. That's happened already. What do I mean? You can see your impulsive push, small correction, impulse again. What can you see at the extreme? Something that looks like an engulfing candle on the 1 hour charts. This red engulfed the previous one, and on the 4 hour, you have your doji. So that's your entry points. You mark the doji and extend. Do we get
Yes, boss.
push, correction, impulse? So we anticipate market will come back here. We go short and maybe target these lows. I always told us take 1 to 4, 1 to 5 and leave. Let's see.
The one when you don't reach here.
Is that?
Yes, boss.
That's 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5, and you leave the market. So I been tell us to do this in the other time. How many of us have gone? Create what was it called, a Telegram group. And be adding your before and after trades. How many of us don't do it? Huh?
I don't create my own. I don't create my own.
So they active, like they drop trades when you don't take before and after for them.
Unless some of those ones when they say maybe I just mad, but I know I forget to save them put but some I they save them, I they put some.
Then the FTMO challenge I told not to do how far.
I know the account one create that last month on.
Hmm.
I still they use and say they use and say practice sometimes.
So like how many percent? How many percent up are you?
I know day up now. I just they go up and down for now.
Send your trade history for WhatsApp, make us see.
Oh, okay.
Like since you get the account till now, I want to see all the trades you have taken, like the screenshots of everything, make us see.
Okay.
Which other person don't try? Let me hear from you. Huh? Benero, what's the issue?
Thanks for watching.
Huh?
No, I don't get any issue. No issue.
So why the account they add you to trade? Was like tell me what be problem if you say you still dey get for your analysis or your trading? What issue you think you still have that you need to work on?
Uh,
Is it technical analysis they had you having a confidence to execute, or you know the see setup? Like just say something. Let me know how best to see how best I can help.
oh, okay. Actually, me, I, I don't really get that kind more challenge. I actually understand the concept of the structures already, but
Okay.
it's just like sometimes it just be like sir, I'm not just dey see. I'm not just dey see correct market to enter. Like it go just be like say I never market never fulfill wetin I want to. I go check all the charts dem. Sometimes I no dey quick see between them. Just like the way you dey easily dey spot am.
But I dey drop all my trades for group. Why you know they trade them?
At the
Huh?
at the okay, I enter some that I dey enter some but for the last 2 weeks so
Hmm.
no, e just get as the thing dey for my side. So as where I dey so I no too dey get this thing. So I no really enter trade that last week. So,
Wow. So no questions, Abi.
no question, I just to observe wetin you dey do here. Please get more insight.
Wow. Which person in the group again? Have you created your 10K account and you are trading, Abi? Now let me narrow there. Well, just two. Wow. Now, not the motivate person seriously, and is not nice. Like now me pay money to learn forex, so now me create group to teach. Now me cause the beg una to come online. It's not nice now, seriously.
I, I no really understand though.
Yeah.
I no really understand these people.
You know they encouraging like
E
at
no dey
all.
encouraging o, seriously, no be lie.
Not they
No be
encouraging.
lie.
But no wahala, sha. Now
But
now boredom cause am. I promise
even
myself I won't be bored next year. God knows.
people
Never.
wey even select this thing as this thing sef, dem no dey active. When select Saturday say na wetin dem go dey, dem no dey even dey active. I no just understand dem. Wetin be their
Yeah,
problem?
Wahala, sha. If you get issue, come DM, we will talk. I mean, they try to show up now, so man, see how best to help you.
Then if you don't know,
Huh?
I wanted to.
Emma, but many question.
No, boss. I was just trying to say maybe it's because of Christmas that is
Which
causing it,
which
sha.
which Christmas? Which Christmas? How many times do all classes? Nobody they come on, and it's not nice. Like seriously, that's
But
interesting.
see, how about we try that Monday, because you know if that class when you hold one of those Mondays, we get about 6 persons they attend that. Some people they feel like say weekend they go always get time, but they feel like say after that weekday the weekend